Hello, I'm Karen and I'm going to introduce our STEM project that is a vertical home garden. The objective of this STEM is that the people realize that it's an easy way to recycle and to reduce the contamination. This it's really easy to make and have a lot of benefits. That benefits is going to be explaining by my classmate Lizbeth.
Now, the benefits of our project is very similar as the objective already said by my classmate Karen. So, the benefits are that we are recycling the PET bottles, and with this we are contributing to recycle the trash. Another objective is that with the plants we are contributing to the production of oxygen and the reduction of CO2. And the last benefit of our project is that we are cleaning all the water that is being passed through these bottles.
We are going to explain how this project works. This project works that in the water that is here, it drains to a sponge that is ubicated in the top of the bottle. This sponge helps us to clean the water and that the water drop to the next water with totally clean. And this helps us to all the plants have clean water to before last bottle.
When the water is dropping, we can see that the water is going down. And the water from the end goes to the bottle from the beginning, and that makes that it will repeat the same cycle. I'm going to explain how is the process. First of all, we take off this bottle. And we put it here. And as we can see, it will repeat the same cycle with the same water that is going through the bottles. At the end, the water will drop here.
In this part, we're going to say the biological and chemical process. We're going to do a little brief of the biological process that is going to be explained by my classmate Juan.
Here we have our STEM project that has a biological process by the growth of the plants. As we can see here and here. These plants need the sunlight, water that is here, and good cares to have a good growth.
Well, in the chemical process, it's simple but also it's complicated because, as you know, the photosynthesis is a process that transforms the energy of the sun into chemical energy. This consists basically on the elaboration of sugars based on the carbon dioxide and minerals and water that is given in the maintenance of the plants. The principal consumer of the plant. Then we have the H2O, that is the water that we put here. And for the last one we have the light that is provided to the sun. And for also we have paint these bottles. This black paint is used to have a better germination into the seeds of the plants. Later, that the process is complete, we have the carbohydrates and plus the oxygen that is the first proposal of this project.